Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, Minister Saab had given a detailed reply, and to the question A, he had given a very detailed reply. Sir, he has mentioned about the total kilometer length of pipeline which has been identified for replacement. He has also given the details of the pipelines which are being replaced also. And he is also given the details as to how much needs to be replaced. Sir, my question for the answer given by the Honorable Minister for the A is that, sir, in this total area, can you give me the details of the core city of Hyderabad, peripheral city of Hyderabad, and in the core city of Hyderabad, can you give me the details of the length of kilometers of the pipelines which needs to be replaced in old city, sir? This is very important, sir. Sir, the reason for me asking this question about old city is that the pipelines which have been laid in old city are the lines which were laid in the period of erstwhile Nizam, sir. Nizam Sarkar के टाइम में जो पाइपलाइंस डाले गए थे, सर, आज भी वही पाइपलाइंस चल रहे हैं, sir. And the second question which I would like to ask Honorable Minister Saab is that, can you tell me what is the leakage? How much is the leakage, sir? How much is the leakage happening because of the problem in this pipeline, sir? Sir, if I am wrong, I may be corrected, sir. Sir, due to leakage in old pipelines, the water board is losing 9 million gallons of water daily. If I am wrong, I may be corrected, sir. Sir, as per my knowledge, if we are losing 9 million gallons, that means we can cater to 60,000 households, sir. Because 150 gallons of water is needed by an average family. So what measures are we taking to control this leakage, sir? Sir, at the same time, sir, Honorable Minister Saab had given a reply for the question C. In that, the Honorable Minister Saab is saying that the government is providing regular budgetary support for Hyderabad Metro Water Sewerage Service Board, sir. Sir, I would like to know from Honorable Minister Saab through you, what is the budgetary support which is being provided? I would like to know, sir. In last 2 years, kindly give the details of the budgetary support which has been given, sir. Sir, at the same time, sir, through you, a very important issue I am raising, and I would like to have a specific answer from Honorable Minister Saab, sir. Sir, according to this year water quality report of Institute of Health Systems, they have found that there is high presence of E. coli bacteria which has been found in drinking waters in many parts of old city, sir, in particular Hyderabad city, new city, sir. They have picked up the samples from many areas, sir. 1,600 per 100 ml water in 2 areas, while many other areas have been, where varying counts of the virus have been found in many areas, sir. Sir, same virulent strains of E. coli can cause gastritis, urinary tract infection, neonatal meningitis. E. coli infection also cause abdominal cramps, diarrhea, and also fever. This is very dangerous, sir. Sir, I would like to know from Honorable Minister Saab, sir. He had given a detailed reply. Sir, I would also like to know from Honorable Minister Saab is that, sir, कि आपको कितना पानी शहर को आ रहा है? गोदावरी से होने दीजिए, कृष्णा से होने दीजिए, सिंगूर मांजरा से होने दीजिए, हिमायत सागर, उस्मान सागर, कितना पानी आपको आ रहा है? और उसके बाद मेरा सवाल है मिनिस्टर साहब से, सर, जितना पानी आ रहा है उन पानी को स्टोर करने के लिए क्या उतने ओवरहेड रिजर्वायर्स है क्या हमारे पास? Sir, I would also like to know, sir, I have the details. The one who is saying, hey, kindly get up and give me the reply, whoever is saying yes. If not, just keep quiet. Do not disturb. They don't know anything, they want to say, hey, nahi hai, chutta, they want to pass on comments.
Sir, the reservoirs, sir, I'll give the details, sir. The total reservoirs are 1,285 ml, sir. Sir, and the existing can take only 554 ml. This is the reality. An additional 731 ml is required to store, sir. We need a reservoirs. We do not have this system. Sir, I am not blaming this government, but the governments before them did this grave mistake. We need to rectify these mistakes. This is the thing. And the amount required for that would be 1,200, sir. Sir, distribution system. Honorable Minister Sahab had given me the details, sir. Sir, as per my knowledge, the requirement is 13,700. The existing is for only 16,000 kilometers, sir. Additional 7,700 kilometers are required. For that, 3,545 crores is required, sir. Sir, in HMD area, sir. Sir, if we see the reservoir, 250 ml is required. As existing is 33 ml. Additional, sir, 267 ml. For that, 630 crores is required. GHMC area, sir, 385 ml, sir. Required is 6,000, sir. Existing is 2,500. Additional 3,500. For that, 3,195 crores is required. This is the situation, sir. It is very, very bad and pathetic situation, sir. Sir, I would also like to inform Honorable Minister Sahab is that in phase 1 of Krishna, how many reservoirs were sanctioned? How many of them have been completed, sir? In phase 2 of Krishna water, sir, how many overhead reservoirs were sanctioned and how many have been completed? In phase 3, sir, how many? Sir, the shocking thing is that, sir, in Old City, in phase 2, overhead reservoirs were given, sir. वो रिजर्वायर पानी की टाकियां दिए गए, 8 दिए साहब टाकियां, 8 में से एक भी नहीं बनाया गया. Sir, I would like to come on record and say that in my constituency, sir, Riyasat Nagar, sir. Sir, Riyasat Nagar, sir, it's very important, sir, when we are focusing the Hyderabad city, sir, we have to see that we have good waters, we have sufficient waters. If there is no water, how can we, ask the multinational companies to come to Hyderabad, to do business in Hyderabad? How can we attract them, sir? We have to have water, sir. This is very important. And lastly, sir, through you, I would like to ask the Honorable Minister Sahab, why has the supply of Usman Sagar, Himayat Sagar, Manjera and Singur been stopped? I was hearing the other day, Minister Sahab gave a reply saying that we have sufficient water of Godavari and Krishna. Sir, 7 TMC of waters of Singur and Manjera has been allocated for Hyderabad. It is the right of Hyderabad. Why are you denying the right of Hyderabad? When they say Godavari waters are coming, so Honorable Speaker, sir, it is very important, sir. Sir, Godavari pipeline is a single line, sir. Godavari pipeline is single line, sir. So many days we see in the newspaper, Krishna की लाइन burst हो गई, कृष्णा की लाइन फूट गई. अगर गोदावरी की लाइन burst हो जाती है, तो my question is, how will you supply? 1 घंटे के लिए अगर गोदावरी की लाइन अगर फूट जाएगी, तो पानी आएगा नहीं. Sir, we had made a demand from many years for Krishna phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Godavari water, if it is come to the city, I would say that the credit should go to MIM for this water. Sir, the important thing, sir, I am concluding, sir.
One second.
Sir, I am concluding, sir.
Question, pipeline like some.
फोर्थ फेज क्या है? एक्कमपल्ली से आप एक लाइन लाइए, हिमायत सागर उस्मान सागर में पानी भरिए, हिमायत सागर उस्मान सागर के जरिए पानी को सप्लाई करिए. सर, दिस इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सिस्टम ऑफ हिमायत सागर एंड उस्मान सागर. फिल्ट्रेशन यू डोंट नीड, सर. द वाटर गेट्स फिल्टर्ड बाय ग्रेविटी, सप्लाई थ्रू ग्रेविटी. आज ओल्ड सिटी को सप्लाई पूरी हिमायत सागर उस्मान सागर से आज बंद करने की वजह से चारमीनार एरिया डिस्टर्ब है, सर. मेरा एरिया छावनी डिस्टर्ब है, सर. माय एरिया इज डिस्टर्ब, सर. सिर्फ इस वास्ते कि आप गंडीपेड़ी हिमायत सागर से पानी सप्लाई नहीं कर रहे. पानी है, पानी नहीं था तो नहीं है बोलते थे. अब जब पानी है तो क्यों सप्लाई नहीं कर रहे, मेरा यह सवाल है, सर. दिस इज माय क्वेश्चन. आई हैव रेज्ड स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन, सर. जो रिजर्वायर्स बनाना है प्लीज बनाइए। पेरीफेरी एरिया के लिए आप जाके 1900 करोड़ का लोन लाए, कोर एरिया के लिए कितना लोन लाए मैं पूछना चाहता हूं। हैदराबाद के लिए कितना लाए? द रियल हैदराबाद इज गेटिंग नेग्लेक्टेड सर, द रियल हैदराबाद इज गेटिंग नेग्लेक्टेड, द रियल तेलंगाना पीपल आर गेटिंग नेग्लेक्टेड सर। द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स आर with the Andhras and the water supply is again getting to the Andhras area sir, not to the Telangana. ये क्या इंसाफ है तेलंगाना के साथ सर? This is very important sir. Kindly do justice to the people of Hyderabad and the Telangana and all cities.